Hi everyone. Welcome back to Nobel Pets. I just wanted to take a moment to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you for supporting the channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or just discovering us, your views, likes, comments, and shares mean the world to us. Because of your love for our furry, feathery, and scaly friends, we've been able to grow this amazing community of animal lovers. It's all about sharing the joy, love, and happiness that pets bring into our lives, and I couldn't do this without you. Thank you so much for being a part of the Nobel Pets family.
Welcome to my YouTube video channel named Nobel Pets Dogs, and thank you for viewing my previous YouTube channel episodes. In this episode 1 we'll discuss why you should not buy a dog. In this detailed discussion I will discuss and show you why you should buy a dog and what are benefits and disadvantages of not buying a dog. Owning a dog can be a wonderful experience, but before making the decision to buy a dog, it's important to carefully consider both the advantages and the potential drawbacks. Buying a dog comes with long-term responsibilities that some people may not fully anticipate. Below is a detailed discussion of the reasons you might want to reconsider buying a dog, along with the benefits and disadvantages. Reasons why you should not buy a dog. 1. High financial costs. Disadvantage. Initial purchase cost. Whether buying from a breeder or pet store, dogs can be expensive, particularly purebred dogs. The cost of purchasing a dog can range from hundreds to thousands of dollars depending on the breed. Ongoing expenses. Dogs require a lot of regular expenses including food, grooming, veterinary care, pet insurance, vaccinations, and preventive treatments for fleas and ticks. Additionally, unforeseen medical emergencies can significantly raise the cost. Additional costs. You may need to pay for pet sitters or boarding services when you travel, as well as professional training, toys, bedding, and accessories. Benefit. While the financial cost is high, some dog owners find the emotional value and companionship their dog provides outweighs these expenses. 2. Time commitment. Disadvantage. Daily care requirements. Dogs require daily feeding, exercise, grooming, and attention. This can be especially challenging for people with busy work schedules or frequent travel plans. Training and socialization. Puppies need extensive training and socialization to learn proper behavior, which can take months or even years. This requires a lot of time, patience, and effort. Long-term commitment. Dogs live for 10 to 15 years or more, and you are committing to take care of them throughout their lifespan, which may be difficult to maintain over time. Benefit. The routine of caring for a dog can help establish structure and discipline in your life, and for some, this is a welcome change. 3. Lifestyle restrictions. Disadvantage. Limited freedom. Having a dog can restrict your ability to travel, go out spontaneously, or stay away from home for long hours. You need to plan your day around your dog's needs, such as feeding and walking them. Impact on social life. If you love socializing outside the house, your dog might limit your ability to attend events or stay out for extended periods. Some people may avoid visiting your home if they're allergic to or afraid of dogs. Housing restrictions. Many rental properties or apartments have restrictions on pets. Even if pets are allowed, some landlords may require additional fees, deposits, or breed restrictions. Benefit. Owning a dog can provide a sense of routine and responsibility, helping those who need more structure or accountability in their daily lives. 4. Health risks. Disadvantage. Allergies and asthma. Pet dander, fur, and saliva can trigger allergies or exacerbate respiratory conditions such as asthma in both owners and visitors. Zoonotic diseases. Dogs can carry diseases that can be transmitted to humans, including rabies, leptospirosis, and parasites like ticks, fleas, or worms. Bites and aggression. Some dogs, especially if not properly trained, may display aggressive behaviors such as biting, which can pose risks to family members, especially children. Benefit. Some studies suggest that early exposure to dogs can help strengthen a child's immune system, and dog owners generally have lower blood pressure and reduced stress levels. 5. Emotional and psychological burden. Disadvantage. Stress and responsibility. Owning a dog is a big emotional commitment. Constantly caring for a dog's needs, especially during sickness or injury, can be stressful and overwhelming. Loss and grief. When a dog passes away, it can cause deep emotional pain and grief. Many people form strong emotional bonds with their pets, and losing them can lead to significant sadness. Behavioral problems. If a dog develops behavioral problems such as excessive barking, chewing, or aggression, it can cause frustration and stress for the owner. Benefit. On the positive side, dogs can provide companionship and emotional support, offering unconditional love and alleviating feelings of loneliness and depression. 6. Environmental impact. Disadvantage. Waste generation. Dogs generate waste, both in terms of their food packaging and the disposal of their feces. Improper disposal can harm the environment and public health. Carbon footprint. The production and transportation of dog food, toys, and other accessories contribute to environmental pollution. Additionally, dogs require resources such as water and energy to care for them. Impact on wildlife. In some areas, domestic dogs can negatively affect local wildlife by chasing, hunting, or spreading diseases. Benefit. Some eco-conscious pet owners can mitigate the environmental impact by choosing sustainable products, such as eco-friendly pet food or biodegradable waste bags. 7. Potential for neglect or mistreatment. Disadvantage. Unintended neglect. Many people buy a dog without fully understanding the level of care it requires. This can result in neglect, where the dog may not get enough exercise, socialization, or attention. Rehoming. Some dog owners, after realizing the difficulties, may choose to give their pet away or surrender it to a shelter. This is emotionally damaging to the dog and adds to the growing number of pets in need of homes. Abandonment. Unfortunately, in severe cases, dogs may be abandoned if owners feel they can no longer care for them, leading to overcrowded shelters and stray dog populations. Benefit. For those fully committed to pet ownership, dogs can thrive and become loyal, loving companions that enhance the owner's life. Conclusion. In conclusion, while owning a dog can provide immense joy, companionship, and health benefits, it is essential to understand the full scope of responsibility involved. The financial, emotional, and time commitments, as well as potential lifestyle restrictions, should all be considered before making the decision to buy a dog. The reality of dog ownership includes both positive and negative aspects, and understanding this will help ensure that a prospective dog owner is prepared for the journey ahead.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and subscribe if you haven't already to stay updated with all our future content. Also, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our adorable pet videos. As always, we love hearing from you, so drop a comment below and let us know what kind of pet videos you'd like to see next. Until next time, keep showing love to your pets, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.